In nature, the rainy season has now begun. Water is currently being added to many reservoirs, including canals, bils, jheels, and harbors. Kachuripana floats in the middle of it with a deep green atmosphere. This Kachuripana and its blossoms are a well-known aquatic perennial plant in rural Bengal. It resembles a neglected beauty that develops according to nature's will. Beautiful Kachuripana flowers can be found in Haor-Baoor, tiny and large canals, bils, lakes, and ponds close to the house in practically every region of Bangladesh. It is unnecessary to emphasize how much more or less everyone adores and appreciates the Kachuripana flower. Many people visit various water bodies to view Kachuripana in order to appreciate its profoundly beautiful natural beauty. Many people have reminiscence when they recall the murders they committed as children using Kachuripana flowers. Many people still cherish the recollections of assembling Kachuripanas on the bils banks in the afternoon and forming Sanko by moving from side to side. Thus, the wonderful light purple bloom with bluish veins brings back the lost youth. You can still observe young children playing in the village by removing Kachuripana flowers from the reservoir if you go there. The kappa is fastened by the girls. When strolling down the reservoir's side road in the late afternoon, one frequently witnesses such a scene. Although Kachuripana appears to be dark green, its blossoms appear to be stars sparkling in white light in the pitch-black landscape. The blooms have petals that are white or a light blue color with purple dots and a yellow drop in the center. They resemble cylindrical cylinders before they completely bloom. The center of the petals contains stamens. A single flower generates a cluster of gorgeous petals that ranges from 9 to 15. Flowers almost always have blooming seasons. Kachuripana multiply fast. It has the capacity to produce lots of seeds. Can germinate even 30 years later. Although there are roughly 7 different species of Kachuripana in Bangladesh, the plant is not indigenous to the nation. Kachuripana was introduced to Bengal in the 18th century by the South American Brazilian traveler skunk, who was charmed by the beauty of the bloom's orchid-like appearance. There are numerous uses for the Kachuripana's flowers, leaves, roots, and other parts. Water filtration can be accomplished with these aquatic plants. Many areas of the Asian continent include Kachuripana on their cuisine menus. Various methods of boiling and cooking are used. On Bangladesh, Kachuripana is frequently used for holding water, filling potholes on new roads, casting and reinforcing pitch for new roads, fish feed, organic fertilizer, cattle feed, and floating vegetable cultivation. In addition, this Kachuripana contains remedies for different health, skin, and hair issues. For instance, it improves skin brightness, treats dermatitis, makes hair clean, lustrous, and soft, lessens tooth and throat pain, lowers cholesterol, increases breast milk, fixes the issue of irregular menstruation, aids in weight management, and prevents bleeding. For those who are aware of its advantages and uses, it is a wealth. And for others who were unable to learn how to use it properly, it is a weed and a bother. Therefore, many farmers will be able to lower the cost of production if it is possible to guarantee the maximum usage of this resource. In other circumstances, financial gain is also a possibility. Brick and stone structures and factories are emerging in cities and villages, filling up the flooded reservoirs and farmlands. Canals, rivers, and reservoirs of all sizes are becoming dry. As a result, the diversity and natural beauty of life are disappearing. The Kachuripana is still thriving in the drains without crops because of irresponsible neglect. This is how the Kachuripana flower selflessly contributes